All right, so we've had a couple of questions about the commission structure and how you can get paid here as a partner with us at Fundwise Capital. So I wanted to jump on and just go through a couple of slides to really help you understand how you can get paid and what the opportunity is here for you. So we've built this program out for you to get paid really three different ways just from a single funding opportunity. I know Corey a couple weeks ago went through the Facebook live and did a massive training on all the different opportunities, how you can get commission and what products can pay you. But we've had just pretty simple questions on, hey, what's my commission if I send in a funding deal, or if I refer a partner, if I promote my webinar link. So I wanted just to jump on and walk you through some of these slides here to help you better understand how you get paid, so that way you're super excited to get going, and also being able to, obviously make the decision on what path you want to go down and how you want to promote the business. So first off is obviously going to be the leads that you send to us that are looking for funding, whether that's personal or business funding. Your commission is 20% of the fee that we collect. So for example, if we got somebody $50,000, our fee is 9% of that amount, which would be $4,500 in this example. And you, as the referring partner that sent that lead in, would get 20% of $4,500. So your commission would be $900. And that's just strictly for your leads that you send in. Now, the fee is going to be based off of what we get them in funding, right? If we go and get them a massive business loan because they qualify for that, we collect $10,000, your fee is still 20% of the amount that we collect. So whatever that amount is, or the fee that we collect from the client, you get 20% for being the referring partner by sending in that lead to us. Now, the second way to get paid, is going to be referring partners that want to be partners with Fundwise Capital. And this is an opportunity because a lot of people, once you start getting traction and you're starting to make some money, or you're talking about funding and finances, they're going to ask you what you're doing. And so instead of them just undercutting you and coming right to us, you can now send them a link or refer them to me, and I can get them set up and have you be the upline and then them as the downline, where you now have the opportunity to make residual money on these type of situations, where if you refer somebody that sends in a ton of deals for the next 10 years, you're going to get paid 10% from those deals that come in. So second way to get paid as a partner, you can send in partners that want to be partners with us at Fundwise. Kind of a mouthful, but you get 10% of the amount of the fee that we collect. So for example, if we get $50,000 for the client, we charge them $4,500 because, again, that's 9%. That partner gets 20%. So we don't divide the commissions between both of you. That partner still would get 20% commission for the amount of the fee that we collected. So they would make $900, and then you as the partner would make $450 for referring that partner that sent in a lead that did get qualified for funding. So massive opportunity. Again, it's not a big deal if you just want to send in leads that go through funding, but if you want to do both, one or the other, if you feel like your strengths into recruiting people who can send leads in, go for it. There's a massive opportunity here for you to be able to make 10% on anything that goes through our program and gets funding. And you can build out a massive team of just referral partners that are sending in tons and tons of leads. We have partners doing both. We have partners just doing one or the other. Totally up to you. Focus on your strengths. Whatever your strengths are, make sure you focus on those. So now the third way, I think that this is probably one of my the most exciting way to get paid, because there's so much opportunity with it. Now, Corey has spent hours upon hours building out that webinar, and we're always tweaking it, and he's done an awesome job, and it's been super successful for us. And so we've given you guys as partners the opportunity to use that webinar for marketing or for promoting becoming a partner. So inside the back office in the training area, there is a couple of links, and we've actually just created a video on how to build this out for yourself, so we'll link that in here as well. But you'll be able to create your own affiliate link to promote the webinar. What that means for you is that you will actually earn 50% commission on anybody that watches the webinar that is through your link and pays to become a partner. You'll earn 50% commission. So again, here's some examples. If they come in and pay $297, you'll receive $149 in commission. If they come in and do the option of 4 payments of $97, well, you're going to have 4 months of $49 coming into your bank account. So can you imagine that for a minute? If you had 10 people pay on the 15th $97 because you sent out an email or you promoted the webinar, you're going to instantly get 49 times 10, $490. And then for the next 3 months consecutively, you're going to have $490 coming in. And if you do that every single month, I mean, that's just going to compound on top of each other, and you're going to be building this massive network and just have this residual income coming in from those people that are paying either the 4 payments or the $297 payments. But the most important thing, if you can see there down in the corner, I think it's already down in the corner there, you see that star. This is the most important thing in this entire program. Anybody that comes through your link, you'll get 50% of what they paid to become a partner and they're going to become part of your team, and you'll get 10% from any 10% of any of the leads that come into Fundwise and go through funding successfully. So, I mean, it's really just a massive opportunity that you can promote that webinar. If you're talking to somebody, they want to know what you're doing, send them the link to the webinar. Say, hey, this is a great way for you to learn what I'm doing and how I got into this program. Have them watch it. If they have any questions, ask you, or have them ask us. That lead will still track to you, even if you send it over. They have a good cookie program where it's going to track that lead for a long time, and then you'll still get credit for that when it comes back into the system. So again, a lot of opportunity. Super excited that everyone's here with us. Again, we're just getting started. I've seen a lot of great traction inside the Facebook group and with some of the partners that have come in, the leads that they've sent in. Things are starting to move. This is a massive way for you to go out now and start getting a lot of volume, whether that's just for leads that need funding or for people who want to become partners with us. I want you guys to be successful. Corey, Peyton want you to be successful. So if you have any questions or concerns, if this didn't answer any of your questions, my bad. Message me, send me a link, hit me up on Facebook, whatever you need to do, let me know. I'd love to help you be successful and to really take advantage of this awesome opportunity that we have here at Fundwise Capital. Appreciate your time. Talk to you soon.